When I was breastfeeding, I used to think about my headache, my fissure, my obesity, my acne, everything. Instead of concentrating on her and enjoying the motherhood, I was thinking about all my diseases. That is what the worst part of it is. So I just made my mind to get out of all the diseases at one go. So when I was searching in the net, I got the Subha's video. So I started following Satvic lifestyle, and it became a part of my life. I have reversed migraine, fissure, obesity, and then acne. I have cured my acne. Once you are healthy, each and every cell of yours will feel happy. Satvic Movement has changed my life. I'm Anushree. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a housewife. We are only three, my husband and my little kid, 4-year-old kid. Sweet kid. That's it. When I gave birth to my kid 4 years before, they said that it is normal to have be obese while we are breastfeeding, but I was it was almost one and a half year past, and I stopped breastfeeding, but still I was carrying my overweight. When you have some problems, no, the additional problems get into that because you are not happy with it. When I was breastfeeding, I used to think about my headache, my fissure, my obesity, my acne, everything. Instead of concentrating on her and enjoying the motherhood, I was thinking about all my diseases. That is what the worst part of it is. All the time I was thinking about the fissure, because it was, I wanted to go to toilet but I could not because of the fissure. When I look into the mirror, I used to see myself as a obese and acne-filled mother. It's very uncomfortable. See, when you have a kid in your hand and you cannot enjoy your motherhood, that is the biggest depression you'll be having. It is usual babies to cry, but I was not feeling comfortable with that because I used to get anger, and because of the migraine headache, I was feeling irritated. I was feeling guilty that I could not give my best to her because of my headache. I could not give best to her, so I started there. So I just made my mind to get out of all the diseases at one go. Somehow or the other, I just wanted to get out of the fissure, headache, obesity, acne and everything. I want to feel free. So when I was searching in the net, I got the Subha's video about how to change the lifestyle, like how to eat Satvic and how to know how not to eat the junk foods and everything. So I made a mind that it felt like it was something logic to me. So I started following Satvic lifestyle. I started with having a ashgard juice. I was having enema, I was having sun bath. It made me feel better. 2 or 3 days I used to have that Satvic lifestyle, and the 4th day I used to drop it out. And slowly, when I was doing intermittent fasting, I used to get the headache. So I made a mind that not at once. Started with 8 hours of fasting. Later I increased it to 10 hours. Then week by week, months by months, I started to 16 hours of fasting. It continued like that. I was having enema, I was having sun bath, and it became a part of my life. After 3 or 4 months after starting the lifestyle of Satvic, I cured fissure. After 6 months I started curing migraine headache. After 1 year I was completely gone with the overweight and acne, fissure and migraine headache. All the problems are gone. Actually, doctor has said me to operate the fissure, but I said no, you don't have to get surgery and everything done. So I wanted to heal the fissure naturally, so it is gone. Once you are out of fissure, no, life is at the highest. Before starting Satvic lifestyle I was 75, now 59. Once you are healthy, you love yourself, you love your body. Each and every cell of yours will feel happy. I can give more concentration on my kid. I can concentrate on whole family's health benefits. Satvic Movement has changed my life. I don't want anybody to experience the pain which I have gone through. It can be fissure, it can be migraine, it can be obesity, it can be acne. Nobody has to go through that. It is not a normal thing. We can cure it, and I have cured it.
ऐसे और इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज देखते रहने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें और सात्विक लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में और सीखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें।
अभी के लिए इतना ही, हम आपसे जल्द वापस मिलेंगे।